Hello, and welcome to our public service announcement. My name is Isabel Orozco-Martinez.
And my name is Elizabeth Galvan, and we are here to discuss to you about Parkinson's disease, also known as PD.
This is a commonly progressive, sometimes crippling disease that affects 1 in every 100 people over the age of 50 years. Only upon falling ill or to pneumonia is when you succumb to this disease.
This disease also affects the nervous system and brain activity, which means uncontrollable shaking, difficulty walking, and limited speech. The terms doctors would use is called bradykinesia. There are 5 stages of this disease. There are only minimal early signs of these stages. Stage 1, from barely noticeable tremors, is on one hand or one side of the body, stiff muscles, and cramps.
At stage 5, also wherever over the stages the tremors are severe to where it's difficult to move or even get out of a chair. The other stages of 5 is when your speak and posture is slooped, unbalanced walking, and a little to no speech. With Parkinson's, there are no known preventions for the studies today.
And sadly, also with Parkinson's, there are no cures or treatments to lessen the tremors or severe signs in late stages of essential tremors.
The risk factors of complications of Parkinson's are sleep disorder, saliva accumulation, bladder problems, smell distinction, fatigue, pain in the entire body, and narcolepsy.
These symptoms progress as the diagnosis ages. With the first diagnosis of Parkinson's, you're given a few medications to slow down the disease because, again, there is no cure for this disease.
Some medications given upon diagnosis are antidepressants, nervous system medications, but over time both motor and non-motor symptoms become increasingly difficult due to inadequate variables of high levels of dopamine. PD has no preference. You can get PD at any age, at any race, or any gender. It is known that if your family member has had PD, it is generally genetically hereditary. In our study, we have discovered how Parkinson's has affected many lives among us, some celebrities who have been diagnosed with the disease.
Michael J. Fox, who was diagnosed at the age of 29, an amazing actor who founded his own foundation for the disease, the Michael J. Fox Foundation, and he is highly active with his disease.
Linda Rawson, a famous singer who was diagnosed in 2013, has written books about having the disease and how they affected her singing and the love of music.
Robin Williams was diagnosed before the famous actor had taken his own life at the age of 63. His wife has testified that when he was diagnosed, he had only 3 years to live.
A study in 2007 conducted in Denmark found that the rate of suicide among people with PD was about the average of the general population.
Alternative medications and exercises are some that follow: an algorithm, which is a decision tree, acupuncture, LSVT voice treatment, also Chinese herbs, yoga massages, and CBD.
There is no telling one's life expectancy upon diagnosis, for every individual is different in incubating their habits. And if you know or anyone have these noticeable symptoms, please see your local care provider and take proper steps for diagnosis. Again, my name is Isabel Orozco-Martinez.
And I'm Elizabeth Galvan, student at San Joaquin Valley College.
And thank you for taking your time to hear our public service announcement.